Hey, what's up everybody? Jason at Canyon Adventure Vans, and today I'm going to show you an install on our new Legless Bed Support System 2.0. This is the second version now that we're selling and offering. What we did is we had them made out of steel before, and they're real heavy, and we're really trying to be aware of the weight that we're putting in these vans, so we're going to aluminum on a lot of the things that we used to use steel on. So these are aluminum, super lightweight, and they're very easy to install. You know how they work. They sit across here, you lift your bed up, and they rest on each wall, the driver's side wall, passenger wall. You use two of them, and that way it eliminates any legs that you would have with the bed. So if you have garage slide outs, if you put bikes in here, you're not fighting with those legs, and now your bed will rest on these legless bed support systems instead. So the old way, the first version, we would screw some brackets in, some hinges to the walls, and it was a little bit more labor intensive. So now you'll get your two legless bed support systems, and they got all these little L-tracks on both sides, so you can put L-track accessories in here, things to hook and hang and stuff like that. So that's really cool. And then in your kit, you are going to get a little soft Velcros. And what I like to do first is I'll take these soft Velcros and I'll just put them right here, center on the edge. And all this is doing is just making sure none of this metal, when it's sitting on here, it's not rubbing it or scratching it or anything like that. Also going down, you know, bumpy roads, it just takes a little bit of the vibration and noise out of it. So we put these little soft Velcro pieces, and they're not very thick, so they're not going to raise your bed up or do anything like that. All right, so that's done, super easy. Then you're going to get 4 riv nuts, okay? And then you're going to get 4 thumb screws. And in the Storyteller, there are holes already underneath your bed. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to, there's a link in the product page video, or actually in this video and the product page on where to buy these. You can buy them on Amazon for anywhere from $20 to $50. And all you're going to do is come in here and you'll screw your riv nut on here. Let's try that again. And then all you're going to do is put that in here like this, and then go ahead and press it. And I'm not going to do it because I already did it on here. So basically you press that in, and then that's it. So it's super easy. It's just like if you've done our door stops, it's kind of the same thing. You just kind of pull that in there, and then you'll twist this right out, and then that's it. So that's how you install those. They're done. And then what you're going to do is grab your legless bed support, put this little thumb thing in there, tighten that down. Do the same thing over here. And this is great too. I've had this in my van for the last 6 months, testing them out before we brought in this new line. We had to get rid of the other line as well, the first version. So now we have the second version. I really like it because it's super lightweight, and I'm not bumping into it. It's not falling off if I'm, you know, hitting really rough roads. But super easy, no tools needed once it's on. There's no noise of any vibration or rattling. It's on there nice and tight if you tighten these down. So super tight. And then when you need them, you know, a lot of times for us, I always work back here. I flip this up, I work on my desk, flip the bed up. And, but a lot of times when we have our garage slide out, or I bring my mountain bike, I'll put the legless bed support on there. And then that's it. So it's nice when I need them, they're right here. I don't have to search for them. They're not taking up any valuable storage space. And you can do either side. It doesn't matter if you put them on the passenger. I like the passenger because we always keep something on this side, and these would interfere. So I like putting them on the passenger side. Make sure that's nice and tight so they're not rattling going down the road. Okay, and then that's it. When you need them, unscrew them, use them. When you're not going to use them, you put them back on, you know where they're at, and they're not taking up any storage space. So that's it. That's our legless bed support system 2.0. This is the second version, and this is where they get mounted. They're aluminum, they're lightweight, and it keeps you from having to use your legs in your Storyteller bed.